Welcome to the Know Your Star segment of the show. And today we will tell you about Tom Hanks. The actor recently turned 68. But did you know that he worked as a bellman before kicking off his career? Here are a few more such little-known facts about the Hollywood legend.
Our first fact may come as a surprise to many. Tom Hanks is distantly related to one of the most celebrated presidents in history. That would be Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln's great-great-grandfather was John Hanks, the great-great-great-great-great-grandfather of Tom Hanks. Before finding fame, Hanks had brushes with stars when he worked as a bellhop for Hilton Hotels during college. Talking about his experience, Tom once said, and I'm quoting here, "I carried Cher's bags when she was married to Greg Allman. I gave Sidney Poitier a ride to the airport." But that was not only his job. Hanks also tried his luck as a peanut vendor. As a teenager, Hanks got himself a job selling peanuts and soft drinks at baseball games. Forrest Gump was Tom Hanks' most successful film. But did you know that the Oscar-winning movie was partially funded by the lead actor himself? Paramount Pictures, the studio behind Forrest Gump, did not want to shell out the money for the scenes where Forrest runs across the country. But since the scenes were so important, Hanks and director Robert Zemeckis decided that they would split the extra cost between them for a bigger share of the profits. Everyone knows Tom Hanks is a brilliant actor. But how many of you knew that he had an asteroid named after him? Well, NASA named the 12818 Tom Hanks after the 7-time Emmy winner. His Sleepless in Seattle co-star Meg Ryan has a namesake in 8353 Meg Ryan. The two asteroids, discovered 7 years apart in different hemispheres, had a cosmic rendezvous when they made their closest approach to Earth in September 2011. Speaking of the actor's friends, after being gifted a typewriter by one of them, Tom Hanks developed a bit of an obsession with them. He explained in an interview that he likes how they have one purpose: to translate your thoughts to paper, and they do it perfectly. The Hollywood star now has 250 typewriters and usually travels with at least 2 of them. In 2004, Tom Hanks' Day was just another April Fool's joke, but it turned out to be much more. It became an international charitable event supported by Tom Hanks himself. So now, every year on the 1st of April, there are big gatherings in Chicago, LA, London, Cleveland, Toronto, and South Africa to celebrate this special day. As the COVID-19 pandemic began to ramp up in the United States in March 2020, people wondered who would be the first Hollywood star to contract the virus. Then on the 11th of March 2020, Hanks revealed on social media that him and Wilson tested positive for COVID-19 while in Australia for production on Baz Luhrmann's untitled Elvis Presley movie. They both recovered and donated plasma to help fight against COVID-19.